Okay, it's Friday, January 6th. This is a SPY update here. I bought some puts as it was failing at the top of this range. We've come down below the key yellow line. We're following through a little bit lower. I was able to scale out of the position at 550. I bought the puts at 457, so almost a point higher. And now we get to just see if this day at no risk becomes that two-up failure. You know, we started above the high the previous day, came to the midpoint of that day. We should be targeting, these pre-market lows and yesterday's low, and that will set up the outside day to the downside. At that point, we see whether we get that follow through, towards that target we were looking at yesterday and even these targets. So a lot of failure developing here at the open. Again, though, you never know for sure. So I'm out at no risk here as it pauses here a little bit, which is fine, but we're still targeting these pre-market lows and yesterday's low, and the continuity is all to the downside, and it looks like a big failure bar to start. But anyway, given the fact that, just to play conservative, you scale out here, you're at no risk right now. If the market really wants to rally strong, get back up to those highs, then, you break even on the trade overall. But in the meantime, this could be a big failure day to the downside, and we're going to watch the 15-minute, we try to break out here on bar two. We're just pausing a little bit. Let's see if we really work towards these targets. That's the expectation, and now we're here at no risk to see if this could be a big failure, gap up on the within this big range that maybe eventually, maybe is ready to break out to the downside given this failure bar here. We close, let's see how the weekly bar closes by the end of the day. That can give some signs, whether on the monthly chart we're working towards the lows of last month, which is always kind of anticipated as long as the continuity is to the downside, below the purple line. So anyway, let's see if we continue lower here. This is the first target, no risk trade now, and, we'll see what develops here in the morning.